Assalamualaikum dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine, good in health. Dear student, today we start your remaining class about Daniel cell. Today we learn about Daniel cell with its construction and its working. Daniel cell. What's the proper definition about Daniel cell? It is a type of galvanic cell. First of all, we learned in previous classes about electrolytic cell and voltaic cell. Here is Daniel is the simplest voltaic or galvanic cell. It converts chemical energy into electrical energy spontaneously. It converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Here is its constructions. Construction of Daniell cell. Dear student, keep in mind that electrolytic cell consists of one single cell, but Daniell cell consists of two half cells. One half cell is zinc rod dipped in 1 molar solution, and other electrode is copper electrode dipped in solution of 1 molar solution. Clear? A porous partition and a salt bridge. Salt bridge separate two half cells from each other. Two electrodes are connected to a voltmeter. Voltmeter. Next, anode is negative electrode and cathode is positive electrode. It is different point from electrolytic cell. In electrolytic cell, anode is positive and cathode is negative. Here is the difference. You just keep in mind that Daniell cell consists of two half cell. One half cell electrode is zinc rod and other is copper. Both are connected to a salt bridge, porous salt bridge in which electrons are moved into two beakers from one beaker to another beaker. Both are connected by wire with a battery. Here word voltmeter is used. Voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer. These are used to measure the potential difference and current passing through the chemical reactions. This construction is represented in the form of diagram. First beaker, half beaker and other half beaker. Both half beakers are connected with salt bridge. This is zinc electrode and this is copper electrode. Here is zinc sulfate solution, here is copper sulfate solution. Electrons are migrated from zinc electrode to copper electrode. This is called anode because oxidation take place. This is called cathode, reduction take place. In which way oxidation take place and in which way reduction take place. Keep in mind that and listen it very carefully, dear students. Here जिंक गिव इलेक्ट्रॉन टू दिस इलेक्ट्रोड. यहाँ पे जिंक सल्फेट है, जिंक अपने इलेक्ट्रोड इस रॉड को दे देगा. ठीक है, और ये रॉड जो है हमारे पास, इस रॉड को जब हम ऊपर की तरफ मैं भी आपको दिखाती हूँ, यहाँ पे आप क्या है, ये रॉड इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा और यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन माइग्रेट होते हुए इस रॉड के पास यानी कि इस इलेक्ट्रोड के पास चले आएंगे. अब यहाँ पे जिंक ने इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन दे दिए थे यानी कि जिंक लूज कर रहा है इलेक्ट्रॉन. दैट्स व्हाई ऑक्सीडेशन टेक प्लेस हेयर. एंड व्हेन वी मूव टुवर्ड्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर मूव टुवर्ड्स दिस स्टार्ट. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे आएंगे तो दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर मूव टुवर्ड्स कॉपर मॉलिक्यूल्स. कॉपर एटम और कॉपर के मॉलिक्यूल्स की तरफ आएंगे. कॉपर इसको रिसीव कर लेगा. जब कॉपर इसको रिसीव करेगा तो कॉपर इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन कर रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई रिडक्शन इज टेक प्लेस हियर. Now we move activity about electrolysis of water. Dear student, here is simple cell. One is positive electrode and another is negative electrode. Concentrated hydrochloric acid solutions are present in the form of electrolyte. What is the anode? What is the cathode? You just mention and you just search out what is anode and what is cathode. It means that simple in the above diagram. Zinc zinc electrode is anode and other is copper is cathode. You just keep in mind this solution. Concentrated hydrochloric acid solution, hydrochloric acid split into HCl. You just write H are present on which electrode and Cl negative are present in which electrode. So I explain this activity simple. Just first of all I write here form of H plus H plus and Cl negative. Cl negative and H plus. Opposite charges are attract. These H plus ions are moved here and these chloride ions are moved here. You just write here what is anode and what is cathode. This is very simple way to Remember this. Okay, next we move further. Activity number 2. Complete the table given below. Here is electrolyte, here is cathodic charge, anode and canodic charge or electrolytic change. This is dilute aqueous sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, if sodium chloride is split up, it gives this sodium chloride. If sodium chloride split up, it gives NaCl. I just write here NaCl. Okay. When we split this, NaCl, Na carry positive charge and Cl carry negative charge. Same this instruction you write in this table. Okay. Lead formation, bromine formed, used up. What is the electrolyte? You just write the name of the electrolyte here. Same in that procedure, you just write the whole table, whole row, and to complete the given block which is empty. Like in dilute potassium bromide, which one is on cathode, which one on it potassium. Potassium bromide, potassium carry positive charge, so it on anode because anode carry negative charge, and bromine carry positive charge, it is on cathode because cathode positive charge. Opposite charge attract each other. You have idea, just mention this table according to your given idea of electrode. Here you write the electrolytic change. What is the electrolytic change? Dilute potassium bromide change into potassium. Potassium. I just explain here in the form of text. Here is the answer. Okay, I just put it here and give the instruction about potassium represent K and bromide represent B small r. K carry plus charge and Br carry negative charge. You just simple write here. Okay, now we move, or you just complete this table according to the given instruction. This is your today class about galvanic cells. Thank you so much. If you have any confusion and query related to this and any question, think about it and discuss with me and contact with me to resolve this query. Okay, class. Allah Hafiz.